One.
Joel Douglas, coach of Ewarton High.
All right, so Mr. Douglas, you guys turn out defeat in this game. What are your thoughts on that team performance?
All right, we made a lot of mistakes in the first half, and that's where we really lost the game. However, I have seen a better second half, a much better second half. We were attacking more, going on the width, taking shots. But as we said, we only can get better. All right, so next training session, we're just gonna point out the mistakes, work on it, and we're gonna try to be victorious for our next game.
3 goals early out in the game you guys conceded. What were your thoughts at that point in game? Was it game over, or you saw areas in which you can really tweak some stuff and fix?
It's never over until the fat lady sings. Never over. But as I said, it was some simple mistakes, simple defensive mistake, and I honestly think the referee gave a penalty that was not deserved because the keeper got the ball. But you know the referee is in charge of the game, so we have to just let that pass.
All right, coach. And I'll see you guys again next time. Yeah,
Good thank you very much.
All right.